Good morning, happy homeowners. Whew, got an empty house. I love that when you're dealing with no furniture today. Hey, over here in Huntington Beach, getting ready to go from a dark reddish brown floor to it's going to be super light, natural. We had to change the schedule around to try to get in here. They want to be in here before Christmas, but let me turn it around so show you what we got. Look at this. There's nothing wrong with the floor, right? See that? Yep. You'll actually be able to see that grain a lot better once we get it down to the natural. And they had a couple of extra boards in the garage when they purchased the house. They gave it to us. Yep. I gotta take some pictures from up here, right? Do a before and after. But I'm starting the video up here. We got a ton of steps, the stair treads. And people always say, Brian, why the stairs cost so much to refinish? Because they're all done by hand. I mean, they're small. We got a little machine that gets on them, but a lot of hand work, a lot of time consuming if you want to do it right. This is the second level, all the bedrooms. So these are all going to be, it's going to be crazy. Give me a couple of hours, I'll do that second video, and you guys will be amazed. Actually, just getting all the equipment up all these steps is going to be something. And then downstairs is all tile, but it's a light grayish tile. So right now this just clashes with it. It's natural. When we do this natural, it's going to be a lot better. All right, guys, stay tuned. Any questions? Ask. You want a copy of our book, 9 Secrets to Refinishing Wood Floors? Reach out. Send you a link. Whatever you're doing today, make it great. Out of here.